Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your kitchen all by yourself. It's so simple, but it's going to help you in the long run, and that's my goal for this video, is to just help the common homeowner that is looking to upgrade their kitchen. Hi, my name is Jason with Doing It with Jason, and I have been teaching people and building cabinets for over 14 years now. And whether you're a seasonal woodworker with a garage full of tools or just a basic homeowner that only owns a screwdriver, I will show you how to tackle this project by doing it yourself. Okay, so what's the upgrade? By swapping out your existing doors and drawer fronts with new ones, you can give your kitchen new life. One of the biggest bangs for your buck in the kitchen is just getting new doors for your existing cabinets. You can transform a kitchen from this to this, and it doesn't even take that long. Now, depending on how committed you want to be to this project or how much time you have to invest in this, and depending on your skill level, I'm going to show you a couple different options, and I'm sure one of them should work for you. Okay, so first we're going to start with, hey, I have a garage and I've got a few tools in it, like a table saw or a skill saw, and I think I can handle this on my own. Well, that's perfect, because in this scenario, I highly suggest a slab door, especially for a beginner woodworker or just someone that has the tools. You should be able to accomplish this. Now, the slab door is really cool because it gives a modern feel to your cabinets and nice clean lines. Cutting out a slab door is super easy. All you have to do is measure your existing doors, the width and the height, and then get a piece of 3/4 plywood that's available at all of your big box stores. Now, you want to make sure the plywood you get is a 3/4 inch thick plywood, and you want it to be cabinet grade material. Generally, they run around $40 to $50 a sheet. And after you cut all your doors out of this plywood, all you have to do is edge band it to clean off and finish the outside pieces. Now, for finishing off the edges of the plywood doors and getting rid of all those plies and hiding them, you use a thing called edge banding. Edge banding is really easy to do. I have a video linked down below in the description. Perfect for someone that's just getting started in woodworking that wants to be able to tackle this project. Now, if you want to take it a step further and you've been woodworking for a while, you can also do a 5-piece door like you see here. This is going to be a little more complicated. You're going to need special tooling for this, routers, shapers, all kinds of things like that. So I would not recommend doing this if you're just getting started, but if you have the tools, give it a whirl. Now, for the people that just have a screwdriver and that is all you need for this, you can order your doors. It's as simple as taking all of the measurements. You need your width and the height of each door or drawer front in your kitchen. Now, all you have to do is make a list of all of those sizes, and there are plenty of companies online. All you have to do is a quick Google search. I'll have a link down below to one of the ones. I think it's Barker Doors or something like that. They're all pretty much the same. Read the reviews, check them out. All you do is you give them the list of all of your door sizes, and they will make them in whatever shape and size and kind of like detail you want. So you want a farmhouse look, or if you want a raised panel country kitchen, you can pick unlimited species, unlimited styles, unlimited edging, you name it, they have it all. This will save you a ton of money. Yes, you can call a cabinet company, have them come over, have them take all your measurements, and then let them order all these and then mark it up like 20 or 30%. Or you could just do this yourself. You will save a ton of money, and it's actually really simple. You have a pencil, you have paper, you can do it. Now, actually, some of these companies, you can get them to stain it and finish it as well, but I recommend ordering these doors and drawer fronts, have them shipped to your home, then you could paint or stain them to match your existing cabinet frame or boxes, and then you install them yourself. Really easy. The screwdriver comes into play because all you have to do is unscrew your original hinges and then put these on, and they will match up and be ready to go. The other option is you can upgrade with newer soft close hinges when you order these doors, and they usually have them available and will install them on your door ready to go for you. I also have a video link down below that shows you how to adjust these hidden hinges with the soft close, because sometimes it can get a little tricky, but I promise the video down below, if you have this similar style that what I have in this one, you will be able to be a master at it within 20 minutes. Okay, so now whether you made your own door or you ordered the doors and drawer fronts, now you're ready to either stain them or paint them. Option one, which is going to be your easiest, is going to be to paint everything. You could take your old doors off of your cabinet, paint the boxes, paint the insides if you want, whatever color you want, and then when the doors come in or finish building the doors, you could paint those doors to match. Everything will look like the same, everything will be happy, everything will look amazing. Now, the second option is going to be to stain everything. Now, staining is an art form in its own and could be a little difficult, especially if you're new to woodworking or new to staining. I have a video down below that shows you how to do that. It is recommended that you're going to sand all these new doors you get because there's no guarantee that they didn't move around in shipping and make scratches, and stains will bring out the scratch. So I have videos showing you how to properly stain it and get, and prep the door and prep your cabinets, all that stuff, which is not a big deal. You can tackle it, but I just want to warn you, it is something a little more involved than just throwing some paint on there. And now for painting, I do recommend Dixie Belle paint products, which I have a link down below to that as well. So many links. This whole description section down below is going to be pure linkage, but it's going to help you in the long run, and that's my goal for this video, is to just help the common homeowner that is looking to upgrade their kitchen. So their paint is fabulous for kitchens. It is really good. It's strong, it's durable, and it is really easy to apply and do it yourself. So the main part of this video was just to help you out, get the normal DIY person that wants to get involved but isn't too sure, just to say, hey, you can do it. I promise you, you won't destroy it. Worst case is you just paint over it.